Hey everyone, welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're exploring the Variation Swatches feature, a must-have for online stores. Instead of boring dropdowns, this feature lets you show product options like colors, sizes, or styles as clickable swatches. It makes product selection more visual and interactive, enhancing the shopping experience and boosting conversions. Perfect for clothing, accessories, or any product with multiple variations. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. In the initial design, you will notice that the product options for color and size are displayed as basic drop-down menus. While functional, these drop-downs lack visual appeal and interactivity. To enhance the shopping experience, we will enable and configure the Variation Swatches feature in Element Pack Pro, a premium feature designed to make product selections more engaging and intuitive. To begin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Element Pack settings. Under the Other Settings tab, scroll down until you find the Variation Swatches option. Toggle this feature on and click Save Settings. Keep in mind that this feature is exclusive to the Pro version of Element Pack, so ensure that you have the Pro license activated. Once you have enabled Variation Swatches, return to your product page. You will immediately notice that the drop-down selections have been transformed into visually appealing swatches, making it easier for customers to view and choose their desired product variations. Now, let's move on to configuring the Variation Swatches. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the Products tab and click on Attributes. Here, you can create new attributes that define the different variations of your product. Under Add New Attribute, you will see fields for name and slug. The name field is what customers will see on the front end, so choose something descriptive. The slug is a unique identifier for the attribute, used internally. Below these fields, you will find the type options, which include color, image, label, and button. For this example, we will create a color attribute, so select Color and click Add Attribute. Once added, the new color attribute will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. You will also see the Configure Terms option, which allows you to define specific color variations. Click on Configure Terms to proceed. Here, you can enter a name for each color variation, such as red, green, or blue. Each color variation also requires a unique slug. Below, you will find the Swatches color option, where you can select the corresponding color from a color picker. After choosing the appropriate color, click Add New Color. As you add new colors, they will appear on the right side as swatch options. Repeat this process to add multiple color variations. Next, we will create a size attribute. Go back to the Attributes tab and add a new attribute, naming it Size. This time, select Label as the type, since we want to display size options as labeled buttons. Click Add Attribute. Then click Configure Terms. Here, enter different size variations such as small, medium, and large. Assign a slug for each size name and define a swatch label, for example, S for small, M for medium, and L for large. Click Add New Size for each entry, and you will see them appear as selectable swatches on the right. To further customize the product options, let's create an image attribute. Just like before, go to the Attributes tab and add a new attribute, selecting Image as the type. If at any point you need to make changes, you can always edit attributes and their terms through the Edit option. This flexibility allows you to refine your product variations over time, ensuring the best possible experience for your customers. Once added, click Configure Terms to start defining the variations. For each variation, enter a name, assign a slug, and upload an image that visually represents the product variation. click Add New Image, and the image swatches will appear on the right. For example, if you are selling jackets, you might create swatches for red jacket, green jacket, and blue jacket. Now, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Products tab. Click on Add New Product to start setting up a new item. The first step is to assign a title to your product, giving it a clear and recognizable name. Next, provide a detailed description to inform customers about the product's features, benefits, and any other relevant details. Below that, there is a section for a short description, which serves as a quick summary of the product's key attributes. Now, scroll down to the Product Data section. Here, you will see 4 different product types to choose from: Simple Product, Grouped Product, External Affiliate Product, and Variable Product. Since we are working with multiple variations, select Variable Product from this list. Next, go to the Attributes sub-tab, where you can add predefined attributes. Click on the Add Existing button and choose Image as the attribute type. To include all the available values within this attribute, click on the Select All option. Once done, save the attributes by clicking on the Save Attributes button. Similarly, repeat the process to add the size attribute, ensuring that all values are included before saving. Now, move on to the Variations sub-tab. Click on the Add Manually button to create variations one by one. Here, you can define different versions of your product, such as a red jacket, green jacket, and blue jacket. Expand any variation to access additional settings. First, set an image to visually represent this variation. Then, specify a regular price. Be sure to save changes, as variations without a price will not appear in your store. Follow the same process for other variations, setting appropriate images and pricing for each. Once you have configured your variations, navigate to the right side of the screen and click on the Publish button to make the product live. Additionally, set a default product image that will be displayed initially when customers view the product. After making all necessary adjustments, update the product and click on Preview Changes to see how it appears on the front end. You will notice that the image and size attributes are now visible, allowing customers to select different options to view their preferred variations. This makes the shopping experience more interactive and visually engaging. Now, let's go through the process once more with another product. Again, click on Add New Product from the Products dashboard. Assign a product title and provide both a detailed and short description. Choose Variable Product under the Product Data section and then proceed to the Attributes sub-tab. Just like before, add the color and size attributes, making sure to include all possible values. Next, go to the Variations sub-tab and click on Add Manually to create different product variations. After setting up the variations, expand each one individually to assign an image and set a price. Once this is done, set a default product image for the overall product, ensuring it looks visually appealing at first glance. Finally, publish the product, then click on Preview Changes to view it on the front end. You will now see the product with its selectable color and size options, offering an intuitive and dynamic shopping experience for your customers. And that's how you can enhance your WooCommerce store with variation swatches in Element Pack Pro. This feature makes product selection more engaging and boosts conversions. To unlock variation swatches and other powerful tools, upgrade to Element Pack Pro today and elevate your website effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.